8 News is taking action tonight. Publicly released emails are providing new insight into the solicitation of prostitution case against a Virginia Beach pastor and the decision by the Chesterfield top prosecutor not to prosecute.
Tonight, we're digging into those conversations with the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office and police. 8 News reporter Olivia Jakewith is live in Chesterfield County with the details. Olivia.
That's right, Eric. Deanna, well, the Chesterfield County Commonwealth's Attorney Stacey Davenport continuing to decline to comment today, citing pending litigation. But these emails reveal new details about why the case was dropped and the new evidence that Davenport said just last month had the potential to reopen it. Newly released emails.
It's egregiously bad.
Giving a behind-the-scenes look at the case against a Virginia Beach pastor charged with solicitation of prostitution. A year after his arrest, though, the charges were dropped. The Chesterfield Commonwealth's Attorney's Office citing a lack of evidence.
They made a deal to let him go through psychosexual therapy and evaluation and sex offender treatment, and they cut him loose. And then they agreed to expunge the case, which is sealing and erasing the police records from further public review.
Delegate Tim Anderson of Virginia Beach originally obtained these emails. This past March, they show the prosecutor on the case was ready to send the case to a grand jury. One email indicates Pastor John Blanchard took psychosexual counseling, but it was from another megachurch and did not qualify in the eyes of the court. But by October, the tune changes, citing conversations between Commonwealth's Attorney Stacey Davenport and Blanchard's defense counsel, ultimately leading to charges against the pastor being dropped.
This deferred finding option was not offered to anyone else that were similarly situated. It was just offered to Blanchard.
That's confirmed in emails from Chesterfield police, saying the majority of those arrested will have to do those things plus be convicted. What was different about him? After word of Blanchard's charges being dropped got out, these text messages were released, showing him requesting a QV, or quick visit, for sex. Fast forward to this January, when Police Chief Jeff Katz sent this email to Davenport, 2 days before she announced that new information had the potential to reopen Blanchard's case. That evidence is a video, which, according to Katz, validates our assertions that Blanchard knowingly sought to engage in sex with an underage girl in a Chesterfield County hotel room. Again, there are hundreds of pages of emails here. Other conversations, for example, showing that Blanchard's attorney reached out to Davenport, and that's ultimately when decisions were made about how the case would move forward. And just this afternoon, we did confirm that a special prosecutor has been appointed to take another look at this case, that prosecutor out of Brunswick County. For now, live in Chesterfield, Olivia Jakewith, 8 News.